Alright you guys, it is a very cold day in Hayward, California. We're here at one of the final Toys R Us locations open in the Bay Area, and we're gonna do a You Make It, We Skate It Wars. We're here with Fetty, we're here with Underlord Crayon, Carlos Lastra. I'm gonna take Fetty, and Aussie Daniel over here is gonna take Carlos, and we're gonna take you along for the ride on our obstacle selection. I hope you guys are excited because we are very sad about Toys R Us closing.
For real, stop following.
Go away. Crayon? Alright, Fetty, what are you thinking today?
Oh, look at this. This thing is $100.
What? Oh my god.
Why can't we incorporate that? We'll get him a Teletubby to skate on.
I thought you liked dolls, Fetty. Oh.
Underlord Crayola. How'd you put trucks on this?
Skate everything. A stroller.
It's in our price range. Oh!
Oh my
This
god.
better have Bluetooth capability.
Oh, what about one of these? Dude, you got like a $50 limit, dude. Oh, look, how about a morph board? Nah, psych, we already did a video on that.
Portion time?
Oh, wait, what is this? Ooh, this might have some potential. Oh, you can get like 2 of them and reinforce it, you know? Let's see here. You know, you should put a caution sign down and put a banana in the middle of it and just have people walk around it like this, or... This definitely has a lot of potential. I'm gonna put this back for now. I think we might be onto something here.
Here we go. You got a cup holder?
Car seat with a cup holder.
Yeah, I don't think Carlos is big enough to sit in the front seat yet.
Oh.
I'm just kidding.
Dude.
You can hold your drink.
What is this? Hey, you go away.
Stop. I feel like if we go to the little kids section, I feel like everything's a little bit more fragile, you know?
Well, there'll be less moving parts.
A lot of you kids that are born in like maybe 2000, you probably barely know what this is or at all. We're going down nostalgic road.
Ah, this is the section we need to look in.
Well, this has all the scooters and stuff.
Dude.
Oh, bop it, remember bop it?
Step 3, squeeze it and say hi.
Hi.
Done. Bump it to try.
What was that? That wasn't the bop it I remember.
Oh my goodness.
Leather interior.
The pink Escalade. This is the single most incredible day of my life.
Ooh, Buzz Lightyear, what? Dude, this is literally just memory lane for me. Kind of miss being a kid.
A shark. I love getting like 3 adults in Toys R Us, and we're having more fun than a child in this store.
That one talks?
Can we buy it?
Look at this one. This one's dope.
See, that one is sick. They have rip serves here and more Fords.
They got everything.
That is sick. Spider-Man Hot Wheels. Whoa. Hey, whoa.
Running into this. There's so many. So far, I haven't found anything that tough. So I'm thinking get like 2 of those, reinforce it, and that'll be the thing.
What is this?
Why does this chest open? How did you... This is wrong in so many different levels. Dude, that actually has some good potential. You seen anything you're really liking yet?
Groot!
What is this? This has grip tape on it. Oh! Oh my god! See, I think we should just get Carlos like a little construction outfit for kids and make him wear it. I think that would be really funny.
Children's book. Funny, out of everything here, the only thing that spoke to me was the word that said caution. That's awesome.
This is hard. You know, all the stuff that they got here, you know, you'd think you'd find something quick, but...
Overwhelmingly. What is that?
Car. I love car rides.
Me too.
That's creepy.
I can't see anything.
We are so cool.
I am Groot.
I'm thinking like use the cautions to connect them and then put something on top of it to reinforce it, you know? This is the Crayon section. One size fits all. I'm just gonna walk around with a teddy bear just to like throw them off a little bit.
When I think of Carlos skating something, I definitely more think of this. Not the Power Ranger. Dude, the Dirt Devil.
This is it.
It is a little flimsy though.
Definitely want to do the caution.
I think we should grab them.
Yeah, let's do it now. I'll have $20 left now. You get 10, I get 10. We can get something for ourselves.
Decision made.
We'd have to put like something soft on it. So I was thinking this, and then we'll put like something on top of it to make it a little bit stronger.
Like an actual skateboard?
I know, right?
Wow.
Yeah.
While he's doing his tricks.
We put a couple children's books on top of it as grip tape. Okay, hear me out on this, okay? Since we can save money, I would say split the pages in half, cut it in half, and then you have a double-sided. I think that'll work. Oh, look, it's my section. Crayola, Cthulhu, Underlord, Craylon. Celebrity cameo. Craylon and Crayola. I can only imagine what they picked. I'm actually trying to make it genuinely skatable, and I'm feared that they're just gonna make something that, for me, it's not skatable, and that's horrible. So far, so good. We're just going up and down the aisles. This is good. I'm just curious on how I'm gonna connect them, though. You know? I mean, I'm even down to just duct tape it on there. And that way, you wouldn't have to like put so many holes and like pretty much break the plastic. So if we got some time to kill, then just go check out the Tech Decks or something. Dude, I remember Tech Deck used to be way expensive. Oh, they actually have a lot of brands.
They don't have Aaron Kyro.
Fetty, did you see what they're skating?
Yes, I did.
We've done that before, haven't we? Just remember, if it breaks, it is an automatic loss.
I think the dirt level's sturdy.
Feel it.
Oh.
You see? So, second Carlos takes it down to 5 or something, his foot might just go through.
We're just gonna scratch it all.
We should do a skateboarding jousting video with these. Charge each other on electric longboards going like 20 miles per hour with those.
If you were a kid, dude, where would you be right now if this is Toys R Us?
I would be where the action figures are.
It's a good call.
Yeah.
All right, so $14.99, $14.99. That's $30 plus $10.99. That's 11. It's 41. So we have $9 left to work with. Maybe we should get a little thing and just glue it on top of it.
We could just buy some crayons and then you could decorate it.
No, it's actually harder than I thought.
Yeah.
All right, I think Fetty found something.
The super spinner.
How much is it?
$49.99.
Oh.
Just get some blue Play-Doh and put the Braille logo on top of it. Why do you have to get like a whole pack? Don't they have like a single blue one? I need this anyways. Oh look.
Hey.
Cheers, mate.
Done.
Got it. There's like $2 left. Let's go see what these little sneaky peeps are up to. So we just got the Play-Doh, Crayola because Cthulhu, and then we got 2 caution signs. Hopefully this doesn't break because I know Fetty's known for breaking stuff.
You think? Go away.
Hey, back up.
Get out of here.
Oh, we're done already.
Yep.
You're done?
Yeah, we're done.
Does that mean you're done?
I guess. Is this the one?
I don't know, is it? You guys just sit tight. Okay, we're over here deeply strategizing against Overlord Craylon. We think that he has the harder obstacle to skate, yet if you play him a shove-it game, he's got nothing on you. How is he gonna shove it on a circle? You don't know what's the front, you don't know what's the nose, he does a shove-it 90 and it's a rebate or a letter.
Yeah, he'll shove and...
Alright, we'll look in this one last section and then...
Because I have an idea.
Alright, since we're waiting for these peeps, we're gonna just read this story and see what it's about. Good night, moon. In the great green room, there was a telephone and a red balloon and a picture of the cow jumping over the moon.
We don't have those like thick like checkerboards. I like the idea of the Chinese checkers.
Good night, light and the red balloon. Good night, bears. Good night, chairs.
Oh, that's good. That's good.
Oh, wait, let me see. Dude, that is pretty solid.
We're gonna make the most diverse board then.
Okay.
Good night, stars. Good night, air. Good night, noises everywhere. There you have it.
I think we need to get him I Am Groot sunglasses. Carlos and Daniel have been done for like 10 minutes. Probably 15, actually. You leave us alone.
We've read a whole book and everything.
I read a whole book waiting for you guys. Good story, by the way.
Can I give you my 2 cents? You have $26 you spent right now, right? I think we go and we buy a Nerf gun that is below $24, and part of the obstacle is that you get to shoot him while he is skating.
That's a good idea.
That's genius.
You like that idea?
Yeah, what?
Why are they in the Nerf section?
Hey man, I've had a Nerf of that. They have some kind of Nerf. Fetty's actually going on a shopping spree.
Yeah.
Wow, look at the missiles. I like these. These are always so fun. 2 of these and then, you know, we can have a little mini war.
I like it.
Let's get out of here. It's been an hour. We walked around for an hour straight, literally.
Moment of truth, paying for it all. $10 under budget, wow. All right, lunch on me, guys.
All right, guys, this is Skate Everything Wars. Fetty versus Carlos. So how this works, if you guys don't already know, is they go to the store and they pick out something and build the board. And then the other person has to skate the board that they built. If the board does not hold up, the person who built the board loses. If the board does hold up, it's a regular game of skate on the swap boards. This is Skate Everything Toys R Us. Okay, so why don't you explain your board and what your thought process was, and then we're gonna give that to Carlos, and he'll do the same and give that to you, and then we'll Rochambeau for who goes first.
So I got the Chinese checkerboard. He also has to wear his protective baby Groot
Why?
sunglasses. He has to wear these because I have these that I get to shoot at him.
Carlos, what do you got?
I have 2 caution signs that are really flimsy, and then
2
wanted to
flimsy
reinforce
caution
the
signs?
top. Actually, don't know what I was thinking. I went through the whole store, and this just struck my head like in the first 5 minutes.
They were done a good 30 minutes before Fetty and I were done looking.
If you
That's
guys have
well done
time,
knowing how to read.
read Goodnight Moon. It'll put you to sleep. But a little Play-Doh, a little arts and crafts to it. You know, it looks like something a kindergartner would make. But
All right, go ahead and Rochambeau. Let's see who goes first. What does the winner of this get? The
$50
other
Toys R Us
person's
gift card.
board.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Wow. Rochambeau. Ooh,
Carlos is
Carlos
first.
goes first.
All right.
This is full park. This is anything counts. You can Braille drop it. You can Sky drop it. You can do the hand rail.
I was just there last night. No. Oh.
Call your trick out before you go. Keep it Toys R Us.
just gonna ride down the bank. Keep it simple.
Baby Groot thinks he's gonna ride down the bank. Fetty, full-blown left-handed, shot him right in the peep. Wow, and we're off to an exciting round of Skate Everything Wars.
Carlos, the rest of the video, all I want you to say is I am Groot.
I am Groot. So I'm waiting for one to just hit me in the back of the head.
Fetty started with the guns. He's gonna hold the guns mid the trick.
I'm gonna take his trick.
Jeez. Carlos, that does not sound good.
Plastic. What do you expect?
Say I'm Groot.
I am Groot.
Whoa! Did you hit him in the arm?
Yeah. Shove.
Wow. What do you have to say about that, Kraylon?
I am Groot.
Oh!
I am Groot.
What do you think got you? Was it the being shot, or was it just the hardness of the shove it?
It's me being shot and remembering having to say I am Groot right after that.
Ah, Fetty's riding down the big thing. What happened there, Fetty? What happened?
No clue.
Anything can happen. Anything.
I'm trying not to break it.
You don't have to be a good skater to win at Skate Everything Wars.
Monster flip. Yo soy Groot. I'm surprised that thing's still holding up.
What are you doing?
I got him. I'll eat a 3. Would that be an intentional break? I'm not trying to break it. I'm trying to win.
Nah, you got it.
Okay.
I'm Groot.
The good thing is only has 2 bullets, so if he just like waits till both bullets fire, then he can try the trick. He had that. He had that.
Come on, Groot.
He's trying an ollie. I would have like rode up the bank and turned. I think that's called like a Yoshi or something.
It literally sounds like someone is dying when he skates that board.
Because somebody is.
Hey, glasses on.
Groot.
Think, what would Aaron do? Drop in.
Ah.
Just drop it.
Groot. I'm back in action. Let's go.
If I ever fell that hard on a mini ramp, I'd never skate a mini ramp again.
I'm glad you're okay. It's
Look.
like you think he has it every time and then he lands and his feet just fall off.
Groot want kickflip.
You nailed him right in the head.
Eddie with the guns just rolls away like.
Kickflip.
In the manual, from here to the box. It's so nerve-wracking knowing there's a gun on me at all times.
From the line to the box.
If I was Carlos, I'd be like, now I'm gonna manual from that box to that box.
Nollie shove it.
What is Carlos doing?
I am Groot.
Yes! Wow.
Carlos got this though, you know he does.
Commit, Carlos!
I mean, yeah, technically that was not a fall.
No slide.
You know what this is? It's kind of like the Switch. Like just feet so close together, it's hard to land on.
Sharpshooter.
I am Groot.
Oh no, it's Fetty's weakness. Fetty hates these. He hurt himself really bad on a hippie
ACL.
jump. Is he gonna take a letter or will he go?
The bullet's in the way.
He's getting really pissed. Boom!
No slide.
I am Groot.
He can no slide everything right here.
Dude, you can't tell at all.
Only done 5.
I feel like he's gonna go face first down the stairs. You can't even ride up to the stairs and you're still gonna go for it.
I think he's delirious.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
I just don't know what to tell him. You want to tell him, like, just do a different trick, but you also want him to do it? He's your friend and you want him to succeed in life? It's hard. It's just hard.
I am Groot, but I am still shocked.
T to T. We got a game on our hands here, people.
Oh, Carlos. Kraylon, why?
The Underlord, he just wins everything. Part of what's happening is that his guns have like lost their steam and the bullets are just like, pew.
Well, at least I got the better, I made the better board.
No matter what happens, Fetty, you're a winner. Well played. What a good group of team players. The sportsmanship. These guys are having way too much fun. We want you to have as much fun as they are having. So you should learn to skateboard. If you do not have a skateboard, get a skateboard. If you do not know how to skateboard, get skateboarding made simple. It will help you learn to skateboard. We want you all having fun and learning to skateboard like we do. This is why we go out to Toys R Us and various stores like that to have fun, so you guys can see our videos and have fun and learn to skate. Thanks a lot for watching. If you're not already subscribed, please subscribe and leave it in the comments below what store we should go to next for the next Skate Everything Wars. Thank you. You guys are the best.